Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, I will explain how we can serialize an object to JSON. I have created a class called person with property name and age. And in the main program, I'm initiating this class person in a list. And this list of person is called persons. And then I'm creating three different person in this list. One that is called Aram, one that is called Tom, and one that is called Vika. And the age is 20, 30, and 40. Let's check how the object look like. So I have a breakpoint here. If I look at the object, we have a list of three different objects. Now I open one of the object, we can see age and name. If we open the next, we can see the age and name. And the third one also age and name. How to remove this? No. Whoa, yeah. So now I want to serialize this object of list person to JSON. So I will download a third-party library. So I'll right click and go to manage Nugget package or packages, and I install new it's called Newtonsoft.Json. Currently it has 668 million downloads, so it's really a tool that many of the developer are using in .NET environment. So I installed this library, I press OK, and now it has been installed. So if I go back here and if I write whoops if I write JSON convert dot serialize object, it will complain. It's because I have to import the Newton JSON library. So it will be added up here. So now the tool has been added, I can write JSON convert dot serialize object, and I tell it what object do I want to serialize. Yeah, the person's object. And I store this as a var or string JSON person. So let's put a debugger here and check what will happen. So the person is a list of object person. And if I press F10 here, the library will serialize that object, and it will return a string, and the string is the JSON. So here is a JSON. If I open it, I can see that it has created an array, or not an array, but JSON. When you have several objects in a JSON, it will create this sign. So it has created three different person object in this JSON, as we can see here. In the next tutorial, I will show you how we can deserialize a JSON to an object. Thank you for watching. See you at the next tutorial. Bye bye.